Good evening to all. Today our chapter is equation of a straight line for class 11. For class 11, the name of the book, that is R.D. Sharma. Equation of straight line, exercise 23.12. Exercise 23.12, number 12. I am doing number 12. The important question I am doing, the question given, just to see, the question given here, find the image of the point 2, 1 with respect to the line mirror, that is x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Find the image of the point 2, 1 with respect to the line mirror x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So first of all, we have to draw the figure. Let the point be P, having coordinate 2, 1, and you have to find out image of this point through this line, mirror line. This is the mirror line. Let the mirror line be AB. So what is the image of the point P? Let the image of the point P through the mirror line AB be Q. This coordinate you have to find out. Let that coordinate be alpha, beta. As per the reflection rule, the image of the point P through the mirror line AB is Q. That means this M will be the midpoint of PQ. Yes or no? M is the midpoint of PQ, and M is present on the line AB as well as on the line PQ. The first of all, line AB equation given, that is x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. X plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line AB given. For our convenience, we have drawn the figure. Let the coordinate of Q be alpha, beta. So what is the coordinate of M? M is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore, the coordinate of M will be alpha plus 2 by 2 and beta plus 1 by 2. This is the coordinate of M, and this M is present on the line AB. As it is present on the line AB, therefore to satisfy the equation, that means x is equal to alpha plus 2 by 2 plus y means here beta plus 1 by 2 minus 5 equal to 0. That means I can write here equal to 5. Taking LCM 2, then this will be alpha plus beta plus 2 plus 1 3 is equal to 10. That means alpha plus beta is equal to 7. This is the equation number 1. Equation number 1. Next we see, as the line AB and PQ both are perpendicular to each other, then we can find the slope of AB. The slope of AB, just to see. Now, slope of AB, how will find slope of AB? Equation of line given x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. The slope of AB will be y is equal to minus x plus 5. That means slope of AB is equal to, suppose, M, that will be minus 1. Why it is minus 1? Equation given x plus y minus 5 equal to, that means y will be how much? Y will be minus x plus 5. Minus x and the coefficient of x is minus 1. The slope of AB is minus 1. Now, therefore, slope of AB into slope of PQ should be equal to minus 1. The slope of AB already found here, minus 1. And slope of PQ, how will find slope of PQ? The slope of PQ, the formula will be found. P given 2, 1, Q given alpha, beta. The slope of PQ will be beta minus 1 by alpha minus 2. The slope of PQ is beta minus 1. That means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to minus 1. So finally we are getting what? Minus 1 will cancel. That means beta minus 1 is equal to alpha minus 2. So this implies alpha minus beta is equal to how much? Minus 2 bring this side. 2 minus 1, 1. Alpha minus beta is 1. Equation number 2. Now you have to solve the equation 1, that is alpha plus beta equal to 7 and alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Solving equation 1 and 2 means adding 1 and 2 will get, add equation 1 and 2. What will get? 2 alpha is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8. Alpha is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to 4. Now put in the value of alpha in equation 1 from equation 1. Therefore beta will be how much? 7 minus alpha, that means 7 minus 4 equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So what is the image point? The image point will be, the image will be 4, 3. This is the answer, 4, 3. Let me explain again. First of all, you have to draw the figure. The question given, find the image of the point, that is 2, 1 with respect to the middle line, that is x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. The image point means whenever it is considered AB is the middle line, the image will be Q, and that will be the M is the midpoint of PQ. Okay, that means how will find midpoint of M? That is alpha plus 2 by 2 comma beta plus 1 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, midpoint theorem. Okay, let us go next number. Next question given, find the image of the point 3, 8. That means let the point be 3, 8. Find the image of the point 3, 8 with respect to the mirror line. With respect to the mirror line, same type question. With respect to the mirror line, let the mirror line be AB. This will be perpendicular and this will be the midpoint. Same distance, it will be downward. Let that point be Q. This coordinate you have to find out. Let this coordinate be alpha, beta. I am repeating the question. Find the image of the point 3, 8 with respect to the line, that is x plus 3y equal to 7. X plus 3y equal to 7. Assuming that the line to be a plane mirror. This is the mirror line. So first of all, I have to find out the midpoint of PQ. Let that point be M. Midpoint of PQ. That point is M, which is equal to alpha plus 3 by 2. Next one is beta plus 8 by 2. Now this midpoint M is present on the line as it is present on the line AB. Thus it will satisfy the equation. The x is equal to how much? Alpha plus 3 by 2 plus 3 whole into y means here beta plus 8 by 2 is equal to 7. So what is the LCM? The LCM will be 2. Alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 is 24 equal to 7 to the 14. That means alpha plus 3 beta is equal to 14, and this will be how much? 14 minus 24 minus 10 and this 3, that means minus 13. This is the equation number 1. Alpha plus 3 beta is equal to minus 13. Okay, this is the first equation. Now slope of AB. Slope of AB, how will find? Equation given, that is x plus 3y equal to 7. That means in the rough work you can do y equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 3x plus 7 by 3. You are getting from where on this? Because y is equal to minus x plus 7 by 3, that means dividing 3. The slope of AB, which is equal to m, is equal to minus 1 by 3. slope of AB. Now, therefore, slope of AB into slope of PQ should be equal to -1, as it is perpendicular both. Slope of AB given -1/3, and slope of PQ, how will you find slope of PQ? P given 3,8, Q given alpha beta, that means alpha plus 3/2, alpha plus 3/2 no. See, slope of PQ, the slope of PQ means what? What is your coordinate of P? That is 3,8 and alpha beta. The slope of PQ means y2 minus y1, beta minus 8 by alpha minus 3. Beta minus 8, difference in y coordinate divided by difference in x coordinate, alpha minus 3 is equal to how much? -1. Now, this minus cancel, beta minus 8, this 3 will go that side, 3 means 3 alpha minus 9. So, this implies 3 alpha minus beta, take that side, 3 alpha minus beta is equal to how much? Is equal to 1, because -9 you have to bring this side, +9 minus 8 means 1. This is the equation number 2. Now you have to solve the equation 1 and 2. Do one thing here. Equation 1, what is given? Alpha plus 3 beta is equal to -13, and equation 2 into 3 you do, it will be better. So this will be 9 alpha minus 3 beta is equal to 3. Adding all these two equations, we will get, this will cancel out, 10 alpha is equal to how much? -10. That means alpha is equal to how much? -1. Alpha is equal to -1. Put in the value of alpha in equation 1. From equation 1, alpha plus 3 beta is equal to -13. That means 3 beta is equal to how much? -13. This alpha is -1. Take this one. This will be +1. Therefore, beta will be how much? Beta is equal to how much? -12/3. -12/3 means -4. This is the value of beta. So, what is the image point? The image point is -1, -4. Therefore, the image point is equal to -1, -4. -1, -4 is the image point of this number 13. I have completed two sums regarding the equation of the slight impedance sum. Thank you for today's class.